In this video, I want to go over additional factors that help you increase your sales conversion rate and SEO.
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
So this is what people see when they come to your sales page of your gig. Obviously, you have a video that's very important. Definitely create a video. Also, you have some images here that are used as a portfolio. Even if your gig doesn't make sense for a portfolio, you should add that when you create your gig, even if the images are random. People are not going to look through it if a portfolio doesn't make sense for a situation, but this will make your gig more complete on Fiverr, like in terms of how much of your gig descriptions you filled out. And the more you filled out, the better signal it is for them to promote you. Also, one thing right here, you see the little heart icon. You see how 604 people hearted this, they saved it. That's another minor ranking factor. It's minor, but a lot of people, what they do is like for like. So what people will do is they contact other Fiverr sellers on different Facebook groups. There's like even specific Facebook groups just where people just do this. And all they do is they heart each other's gigs. And obviously the more hearts you have, the better it looks on Fiverr, and it helps you boost your gig just a tiny bit. Now, as you go down, of course, you have the description, and there's a lot about you and your packages that you sell and all that. There are these tabs you see on top, and as you scroll, like about the seller, compare packages, actually, it will bring up the part of the page where people scroll. And you see, obviously, your past reviews are important, your other gigs are important, all that stuff. And when you get to the bottom here, you see that there's like a part of this page related tags. That's another source of keywords for your SEO that you can use on your gig. Like, for example, Google traffic, keyword research, those will all be relevant for this gig. And it's good to create a FAQ. In my case, it's only one question, but you might create a couple of questions so that it's clear, because a lot of people will ask certain questions or have certain questions in their mind, and you want to just make sure you address those so that you quell those questions in their mind that may be preventing them from buying your service. And some people say that when you upload your video and when you upload your images that are supposed to be your portfolio or the gig image, make sure that the video and the portfolio files and images are titled with your SEO keyword. So when I uploaded this image, for example, the title was SEO.png. That was the title of the file. Now, does it help you rank higher? I'm not 100% sure of that, but it's so easy to just rename those files to have your keywords that you should just do it anyway, just in case. And most importantly, fill out everything inside your gig area in your dashboard. When you create a gig, fill out every possible field so that your gig looks most complete to Fiverr, and that will give you the highest chance to compete in SEO and also be highly converting.